Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about one head shaving tip that is super important. That's right, I'm going to be going over one simple tip, not two tips. I was showing one with both fingers, but I'll do it with one finger only. One tip that is super important for head shaving, okay? It is very, very simple. The tip is incredible and it's easy to remember and easy to understand. And the tip, I'll get right into it. I'm not going to beat around the bush. The tip is to develop your own process. Okay, I'll tell you why it's super important, and then I'll even go over my process with you rather quickly towards the end of the video. So stay tuned. So why is it super important? Well, developing a process is great because it allows you to do things quickly, easily, effectively, okay? It prevents frustration, it prevents errors, it prevents mistakes. I guess preventing errors and preventing mistakes is sort of the same thing, but you get my drift, okay? It's just a good thing. If you get interrupted when you're shaving your head, you know exactly where to pick up because you're in the process. You can develop your own process so it suits you, and the list goes on and on and on, but it's just a good thing, okay? It's like, you have your morning routine, right? I get that. You can develop a head shaving routine, a way of doing things. And of course you can stray away from the process. Of course you can change things up. Of course you can. But having a process is good because it allows you to shave your head quickly, effectively, easily, happily, frustration-free, personalized to you. And like I said, the list goes on and on and on. So what is my process? Well, my process is really simple. This is how I shave my head almost every single time, okay? Basically, this is how I shave my head, for the most part, every time, except sometimes I'll change it up, but this is like almost every single time my head shaving process. So I shave my head in the shower. So in the shower, I have my shaver with me, my shaver or razor, whatever you want to call it, okay, and I use soap. So I'll get soap and I will use the soap all on my head. I'll make sure my head is wet first, and then I'll use the soap all on my head, okay? So basically, I'll go over it like sort of like as if I'm doing it right now, okay? So I'm in the shower, I get my head wet. I get the soap, I put the soap on my hands, and I use my hands, which have now been soaped, to put the soap on my head all around where I'm going to shave it, okay? I'm going to take my glasses off because in the shower I don't wear my glasses for the most part. Sometimes I'll wear them, but mostly I don't wear them. So then, when my head has soap on it, I get my razor, and basically I start off at the back here, and I go here, all up the side here. When I'm at the side over here, I also go like this as well, okay? Then I continue from the back over here, all like this, okay? I'll go and do this little crease over here, like this. Sometimes I'll go side to side with the main part of the razor, okay? So I use the main part of the razor to go side to side, and then I'll use this little single blade over here to just go and just basically tackle it like that, very gently. I'll also try to remember to do the neck portion over here, so the sides of my neck over here, so just like that to get rid of sort of any fuzz, okay? And then after I'm done the back, I've done this side and the back, now I go to this side, okay? And then I go across here to the top, this way like this, no problem. Now all I have left to do is the actual top, so I'm gonna get the razor and I go over the top. And I don't have much hair on the top, so the top is really easy and quick. I go like that, this way, and when I get to the back over here, okay? When I get to the back, I go in a couple different directions because that's like, I guess where that, I think my head I think at that part of my head, I think on that part of my head, my hair grows in different directions, so I just go in sort of different directions gently and I shave it off, okay? Then when I'm done that, most of the time, what I try to do is I'll get my hands and I'll just sort of rub along my head to see if I missed any spots. And if I feel somewhere that's a little bit rough, then I know I missed a spot. I'll get some soap, I'll put some soap on there, I'll get the razor and I'll just shave it. Okay, very simple. That's my head shaving process. Now, most of the time, that's how I do it, okay? Very simple, and then when it gets to the sideburns, sometimes I'll just, when I'm at the sideburn portion for each side, sometimes I'll just go like this, excuse me, as I'm shaving my head regularly. Sometimes I'll use the single blade to clean it up nicely. But, I do this without a mirror. I do this with my glasses off, and I have really bad vision, so I can't see that much with my glasses off anyways. Okay? So I basically have learned to do this using my hand as my as what I can see. I obviously can't see with my hand, but because of what I can feel, it mimics me being able to visualize what's happening, okay? And this process has just allowed me to shave my head fast. I can get it done in a few minutes, okay? If I'm shaving my face as well, it takes a little bit longer, but just my head is like maybe like 3 minutes or under, something like around 3 minutes, okay? Very, very quick, okay? It depends on how fast I want to do it. Sometimes I can, I can take longer. I can milk the process up to 5 minutes. If I want to go slower, I can probably speed it up a little bit, but I say, like, I don't time it, but I figure it feels like it takes about 3 minutes when I'm sort of boom, 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 just going through the process at a normal speed without taking any breaks or any distractions or interruptions, interferences, anything like that, okay? So yeah, anyways, that's my process, and it has helped me tremendously. So really, it's really, I think it's super important to develop a process. I told you the reasons why it's important, and I've told you about my own process, kind of demonstrating it in a fake way right now for this video. So hopefully you like this video. Other than that, I think I've over-explained anything, so other than that, I've got nothing else. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.